Did you know 1 in every 5 women in India is struggling with PCOD today? And it's not just about irregular periods of weight gain. It affects your energy, mood, and even your confidence. And as you know, Ayurveda has given cure for every disease. And yes, it has also given the solution for PCOD. योनि व्यापद अध्याय में इसके बारे में बताया गया है. आयुर्वेदा आचार्य ने थाउजेंड्स ऑफ फूड ऑप्शन में से ये टॉप 10 फूड ऑप्शंस दी हैं जो कि नॉट जस्ट पीसीओडी बट हमारे ओवरऑल रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ के लिए बेस्ट फूड है. सो कैन यू इमेजिन अगर उन्होंने ये 10 ऑप्शन बताए हैं तो कितने इंपॉर्टेंट होंगे. हाउ पावरफुल दीज मस्ट बी. Hi, this is Dr. Arzu and today I am going to tell you about both modern and Ayurvedic view of why this has said to be the best food for PCOD, and if you follow me on Insta, I'll also share an Ayurvedic diet chart of what you should eat and what you should not. So message me there and let's get into the video. Number 1 is black sesame seeds known as Krishna til. Number 2, small fishes like salmon, mackerel, sardines. First, you should know that all the sex hormones like estrogen and progesterone are derived from cholesterol. Now, these black sesame seeds and small fishes contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are healthy fats. And these healthy fats do help the body to manage the cholesterol level, which in turn help in managing the hormones. Number 3 is kulad dal. Number 4 is mash dal. Both of these dal in Ayurveda has been told to support the Shukra Dhatu. In Ayurveda, Shukra Dhatu is the final and most refined tissue in the body responsible for reproduction and vitality. When foods like kulath and mash dal are consumed regularly, it supports and strengthens the Shukra Dhatu. Number 5, garlic, that is also known as Lashu. साइंटिफिक नेम इज एलियम सेटाइवम. आजकल आपने हर जगह देखा होगा कि लोग 1 क्लव गार्लिक का रोज ले रहे हैं एंड दे आर एक्सपीरियंसिंग चेंजेस इन देयर हार्मोन हेल्थ एंड दे आर गेटिंग हेल्थियर स्किन. According to Ayurveda, it has pungent and hot properties. Therefore, it balances both Vata and Kapha dosh. And as PCOD occurs due to this doshic imbalance only, therefore, it should be taken on a regular basis. In modern, it has been told that it regulates insulin, which in turn help regulating the blood sugar level. And it has also been researched that it contains compounds like allicin, which helps in regulating hormones. Now the question arises कि हम इसे रोज कैसे लें. In Ayurveda, there is a recipe called Rason Kshir Pak. For it, you have to take 200 ml of milk. In that, you add crushed 2 to 3 cloves of garlic and boil it for 10 to 12 minutes and drink it warm before sleeping. Number 6 is dadhi, that is also known as curd. Number 7 is ardhodak takr, means arth means half, udak water and takr means buttermilk, means half water half buttermilk. You can add garlic, black salt and jeera to it and have this with your lunch meal. Number 8 is kanji and number 9 is shukt. All these are well known probiotic rich food, and as we all know, probiotic help maintaining the digestive health and balancing dosha. Modern has also done research over it, and the research suggests that healthy gut microbiome can help balance hormones, which are crucial for managing PCOD. If you want to know how to make kanji and shukt, do let me know. I'll tell you the recipe in the next video. Number 10 is Gaumutra. This is the only thing that you have to talk to your Ayurvedic practitioner and they can provide you this as a medication. But Gaumutra has been told to be the detoxifier and has anti-inflammatory properties and immune booster. I have tried making this video short but informative. Do let me know if you have any other doubts and please subscribe and follow my channel. And if you have any doubts, just comment down below. Thank you.